Imagine a world where every legal dispute starts from scratch, with no past wisdom to guide it. Chaos, right? Today, we unravel the profound power of legal precedent, a cornerstone of justice that ensures fairness and predictability in our courts. This isn't just history, it's the living, breathing mechanism that shapes our rights and responsibilities. The camera pans across a grand, wood-paneled courtroom, steeped in tradition. A judge, embodying the stern yet fair spirit of Atticus Finch, presides over a packed gallery. The case at hand, a mysterious illness after a woman drinks ginger beer, a direct echo of Donoghue v. Stevenson, 1932, AC 562, the landmark UK case that forged the modern law of negligence. As barristers argue, a junior lawyer, channeling Elwood's sharp intellect, whispers to her mentor, "Why are we discussing a snail from decades ago?" Her mentor replies, "Because in law, what happened before dictates what happens now." That's precedent, the principle that past judicial decisions guide future ones, ensuring consistency and fairness. The judge interrupts, "Counsel, are you asking me to depart from what the House of Lords decided in Donoghue v. Stevenson?" The barrister responds, "No, my lord. I am bound by stare decisis, to stand by things decided. Unless a higher court overrules it, we must follow that decision, upholding the very fabric of our legal system." The camera zooms in on the judge's written opinion. A narrator, with the gravitas of Harvey Specter, explains, "Not every word in a judgment is law. The ratio decidendi, the reason for the decision, is the binding part, the legal principle established. Everything else, the obiter dicta, is merely commentary, however insightful." In Donoghue v. Stevenson, the ratio was that manufacturers owe a duty of care to consumers. This fundamental rule became the bedrock for countless future cases. The judge's musings about other scenarios, like if the snail had been in a different drink, are obiter dicta, interesting, but not legally binding. A flashback montage shows lower courts across the UK, all meticulously applying the Donoghue decision in similar cases. The narrator emphasizes, when a higher court sets a precedent, it is binding. Lower courts must follow it, even if they personally disagree, ensuring a unified application of the law. Cut to a different courtroom. A barrister cites a Scottish case and an Australian judgment. The judge nods, "These are persuasive precedents, not binding, but they might influence my decision if their reasoning is compelling and aligns with justice." A dramatic moment unfolds, the Supreme Court revisits an old rule. Justices debate fiercely, referencing R. Shivpuri, 1986, where the House of Lords overruled its own previous decision. The lead justice declares, "We were wrong before. Today, we set a new precedent, correcting the course of justice." Back in the original courtroom, the defense tries to escape Donoghue's shadow. "My client's case is different," the barrister argues. "Here, the bottle was open, not sealed. That's a material difference." The judge agrees, "I can distinguish this case from Donoghue. The facts are not the same, so the precedent does not apply directly." A law student, inspired by the relentless pursuit of truth, studies a court hierarchy chart. Magistrates' courts at the bottom, then Crown and County courts, the High Court, the Court of Appeal, and finally the Supreme Court at the apex. Her professor explains, the higher the court, the more powerful its precedent. Only the Supreme Court can overrule itself or the Court of Appeal. Lower courts must always follow higher courts. The scene shifts to a bustling newsroom of law reporters, akin to investigative journalists. They meticulously select which judgments to report, focusing on those that clarify or change the law. These reports, published in official law reports, ensure that lawyers and judges nationwide know precisely which precedents to follow, maintaining legal certainty. The judge delivers the verdict, referencing the ratio from Donoghue v. Stevenson and carefully distinguishing it from the present case. The camera pans to a law library, where the new judgment is being added to the shelves, ready to guide future cases. In the common law world, every case is a story, and every story shapes the law. Through precedent, stare decisis, and the careful reporting of judgments, the law evolves, one case at a time, ensuring justice for all. Deepen your understanding of these critical legal principles. Explore our comprehensive online courses, engage with landmark case studies, or join a legal discussion forum to further your journey into the intricate world of law. Your insight into justice begins now.